Are you tired of feeling stuck? Your hard work, hustle every day, but it feels like you're treading water? Your dreams of freedom and success seem distant. No matter how much effort you put in, nothing changes. Have you been there? Maybe you're in a job that pays the bills but doesn't light you up. You've got responsibilities, a family to provide for, and deep down, you know you're capable of more. Yet, every time you think about making a change, fear and uncertainty hold you back. Does this sound familiar? Have you ever wondered why some people seem to achieve so much while you're left struggling to make any sort of progress? What's the secret that they know that you don't? What if I told you that there's one truth that could change everything? A truth that has shaped the destinies of countless successful people throughout history. But here's the hard truth: you are where you are today because of your decisions or lack of them. This realization hit me like a ton of bricks when I first heard a powerful quote by Tony Robbins. It's in the moment of our decisions that our destiny is shaped. At that time, I was living paycheck to paycheck, barely surviving, lining up in welfare lines, food banks, making minimum wage. This was my reality, and I couldn't figure out why life was so hard. Then it hit me. I had decided to settle for this life. But it wasn't just the bad decisions that I made, it was the ones I avoided. By not deciding to raise my standards or take action, I had passively chosen my circumstances. The truth was hard to swallow, but it was also freeing because I had chosen this life. I could choose a better one. I want to tell you the story about burning the ships. There's a story about Hernan Cortez, a Spanish explorer who landed in Mexico with his men. They were outnumbered. The odds were completely against them. But Cortez made a decision that would change everything. He ordered his men to burn their ships. There was no way to retreat. The only path forward was victory or death. That decision forces men to fight with. The story resonates deeply with me because it's what I had to do to change my life. I had to burn my ships. I had to decide that there was no going back, no retreat, no settling for less. Are you ready to burn your ships? Have you ever felt like you're holding onto a safety net just in case? Have you ever avoided a big decision because it felt too risky? What if you let it all go and committed fully to your dreams? Here's the 3 secrets I want to share with you today. Secret number 1 is decide to choose growth. Decide that growth is non-negotiable. If you're not growing, you're settling. This isn't about perfection, it's about progress. Start asking yourself, what's the one area in my life that I can improve on today? Secret number 2 is raising your standards. You don't get what you want in life, you get what you tolerate. Stop tolerating mediocrity. Decide what you're no longer willing to accept in your life and commit to raising your standards. Secret number 3 is to cut off all other options. The word decide means to cut off. When you make a decision, you eliminate all other possibilities. Burn your ships and commit fully to the path ahead. That is where transformation begins. Here's what to do next. If you're tired of feeling stuck, it's time to make a decision. Write down one thing you're ready to change today. Decide to commit fully, burn your ships, and step into the life you deserve. I want to thank you for the subscribers that's recently subscribed to our channel. If you haven't yet, follow our YouTube channel, subscribe to our blog, and join our Facebook page for more life-changing strategies. The destiny starts with one decision. What will you choose today? Talk soon.